Microfibers are a combination of two synthetic polymers, polyester and polyamide, which are having a measurable impact on the environment. Scientists have cited that by 2030, microfibers are expected to account for 75% of the global fiber production, which is 97 million metric tons. What microfibers are doing to our ecosystem is alarming. Scientists have found microfibers in the guts of 80% fish and shellfish. Not just this, but microfibers are also being found in tap water. 81% of 159 tap water samples tested contained 98.5% microfibers. The researchers also estimate that an average person ingests over 5,800 particles of microfibers each year. Now imagine if a person is changing their microfiber sheets every 2 years for 30 years. How many trillion tons of microfibers would be found inside of us and the oceans? Your buying decisions matter. Please buy natural fiber sheets and avoid microfibers. California Design Den.